The wine jugs. Birbal noticed that Akbar had been absent from the court for long stretches of time. This worried him a lot. So he went to the palace to inquire about his well-being. Just as he entered the palace, he overheard Akbar saying silly things to himself. Then he entered Akbar's bedroom and looked around. He found many jugs of wine. He picked a wine jug up and turned to leave. Just then, Akbar saw him. Birbal hid the jug in his shawl. Akbar asked, "What are you hiding?" Birbal said, "It's a parrot." "No, it's a horse." "It's an elephant." "No, it's a donkey." Akbar was puzzled. Birbal explained, "Your Majesty, wine makes one talk like a parrot and act like a horse. It makes one walk like an elephant. It turns a man into a donkey. Please don't drink." Akbar realized his folly and threw away all the jugs of wine. Judgment and justice. Akbar always sought Birbal's advice on important matters. One day, after solving a difficult case and passing a judgment, Akbar asked Birbal, "Tell me when God shows his justice." Birbal thought for a while. Then he said, "Your Majesty, when your judgment is not right, we can see God's justice." Akbar said, "I did not understand what you just said. Could you please explain, Birbal?" Birbal answered, "Your Majesty, as our emperor, you are the representative of God on earth. But when you, somehow, pass a wrong judgment, God not only sees it, but also sets it right. That's when we get to see God's justice." Akbar was impressed with Birbal's answer. He always kept this answer in mind whenever he was about to pass a judgment. Thus, he avoided injustice. He came to be known among his subjects as a kind and just ruler who was loved by all. The learned and the foolish. One day, Akbar decided to ask Birbal a difficult question. He asked, "Birbal, what is the difference between a foolish man and a learned man?" Birbal smiled and replied, "Your Majesty, a learned man always uses his brains when he is in a difficult situation. He is always calm and does not lose control." Akbar asked, "And what does a foolish man do?" Birbal replied, "Your Majesty, a foolish man has no control over difficult situations. He doesn't use his brains and handles the situation badly. He either spoils the task at hand or makes the situation worse. Once again, Akbar was impressed with Birbal's answer. Akbar had thought that Birbal would answer like the other courtiers and say that an uneducated person was foolish, while the one who was educated was learned. Birbal's answer helped to cement the special relationship that he shared with the emperor. Akbar, the jovial emperor. Akbar was not only a generous, just ruler, but he was also very cheerful and jovial. He loved to play pranks and have fun occasionally. One day, he was in the mood for a joke. He was waiting for Birbal, since he knew Birbal's witty answers would add to the fun. When Birbal entered the court, he asked, "Tell me, Birbal, what is the difference between you and a donkey?" Birbal looked at Akbar, who was seated on the throne, and then he turned his eyes towards the floor, where he stood. He appeared to be deep in thought. Akbar said, "It seems you are calculating something. Am I right?" Birbal bowed and said, "Yes, Your Majesty. Now that I have made the calculation, here is my answer. The difference between me and a donkey is 8 feet in distance." Akbar loved the joke. He laughed heartily at Birbal's wittiness. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.